Good morning, students. Way to go there, Wendell. There's Ralph. He knows the score.
Can you open my milk, Mommy?
The children are right to laugh at you, Ralph.
Son, I know just how you feel.
She made a fool out of me.
Hey, come to think of it, she did. Well, she didn't reckon with the awesome power of the chief of police.
Lisa Simpson, would you like to read your essay?
Freeze, you crazy Mommy.
Dear God.
Atta boy. But you gotta aim a little higher. There you go. That's a kill shot. Remember, boys, these are little kids.
I don't feel right. Clubbing women and children, Chief.
I hear you. Some days are tougher than others.
Yay! Daddy, when I grow up, I want to be just like you.
Better start eating, kid.
Start eating.
I didn't mean it that way.